First, let's learn what a compound noun is. A compound noun is made up of two or more words. Look at the following example. The words butter and fly get together and make the compound noun butterfly. Okay then, let's learn a few compound nouns. Sun, flower, sunflower. Light, house, lighthouse. Cup, cake, cupcake. Lip, stick, lipstick. Rain, bow, rainbow. Fire, arm, firearm. Rain, coat, raincoat. Arm, chair, armchair. Pan, cake, pancake. Foot, ball, football. Cup, board, cupboard. Foot, print, footprint. Basket, ball, basketball. Note, book, notebook. Ear, phone, earphone. Star, fish, starfish. Ear, ring, earring. Key, board, keyboard. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. Key, hole, keyhole. Hand, bag, handbag. Door, bell, doorbell. Black, board, blackboard. Bed, room, bedroom. Book, shelf, bookshelf. Eye, ball, eyeball. Cow, boy, cowboy. Snow, man, snowman. Jelly, fish, jellyfish. Fire, fly, firefly. Thank you for watching my video.